Soon, photovoltaic modules used for solar installations must meet the 2021 standards to qualify for government rebates. It's important that all solar installers and retailers understand the requirements.
The Clean Energy Council administers the Product Assurance Program, which maintains lists of PV module, inverter and battery products that meet Australian standards. If the product is not on the list or is listed as expired, it's not eligible for small-scale technology certificates or STCs, state programs or DNSPs who use the CEC approved products lists. Standards are often updated to ensure products remain safe and of good quality. In 2021, the International Electrotechnical Commission updated the standard that relates to photovoltaic modules. The Clean Energy Council agreed to update the requirements for approved PV modules and gave industry over a year's notice of the change. After the 30th of September, most PV modules should comply with the 2021 edition of the IEC 61215 series. PV modules that don't meet the new standard are listed with an expiry date of the 30th of September 2024 or earlier. Retailers and installers should clear their stock of these modules by this date. They won't be eligible for STCs after this date. Some products were given an extension for extenuating circumstances. These have expiry dates of 31st of March 2025 and are only eligible for STCs up to this date. Only PV modules that do meet the new standard are listed with an expiry date later than 31st of March 2025. They also have a suffix saying IEC 61215-2021. Retailers and installers can use these modules and they will be eligible for STCs now and into the future. PV module labels will also generally include a reference to which version of the IEC 61215 the PC modules are certified to. If unsure, please contact your supplier or manufacturer.
Make sure you're ready for the change by clearing expiring PV modules and only ordering ones that meet the 2021 standards. Find out more on our website.